Acne can be a frustrating and confidence-damaging skin condition that affects many people, especially during their teenage years and beyond. While there are numerous skincare products available in the market promising to clear acne, some of them can be harsh and full of chemicals that may not be suitable for everyone's skin. If you're looking for a natural and effective solution, look no further than your kitchen. Lemon and olive oil, when combined, can work wonders for acne-prone skin and help you achieve a glowing complexion. Lemon, a citrus fruit rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, has astringent and antimicrobial properties that can help control excess oil production, unclog pores, and kill acne-causing bacteria. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Olive oil, on the other hand, is a powerhouse of essential fatty acids and antioxidants that can help promote skin health. When lemon and olive oil are combined, they create a potent mixture that can provide a myriad of benefits for the skin, especially in the fight against acne. Learn now the recipe for the juice which greatly helps to treat acne. Ingredients: juice of 2 lemons, 10 drops extra virgin olive oil, 1 glass of water, honey and ice as desired. Preparation and consumption. The preparation is very simple. Just blend all the ingredients in a blender or mix them with a spoon. It's important to consume 2 glasses of this recipe per day. In addition to this juice, it's also essential to maintain a consistent skincare routine. Eat a healthy diet and practice good hygiene habits to keep your skin clear and healthy. Drinking plenty of water, getting enough sleep, and managing stress levels can also contribute to overall skin health. Did you like the recipe? If you make this juice at home, let us know the results. If you found this recipe useful, share the video with the people you love. I wish you good health.